Hey, YouTube, I had this kind of tone on my guitar for another song, and it made me think of this Rolling Stone song, I Used to Love Her. It's kind of like an overdriven, Telecaster sound, and yeah, the song I Used to Love Her is pretty simple, and it's got a interesting shuffle. I'm going to show you a way to play it. It's a shuffle in G. Usually on the guitar, when we're playing shuffles in rock music, it's kind of like, well, let's see, G would be. Okay, something like that. We can play it down here. Play an E and A. Those are very common. But G is a little less common. And here's a way you can play it with a single guitar. It's kind of interesting. Play the G chord. Okay, you can play it with. I play it with my ring finger on the 3rd fret at the low E, and my pinky on the G at the on the high E as well. Some people play it with the A at the 2nd fret, the A string on the 2nd. But it works better if you just play it the way I'm showing you and you mute the A. But you can play it with the A. It's just, but what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to lift it and place it on the D string at the 2nd fret, and that's how we get the shuffle. By hammering onto the D string. And for those of you who don't know what a shuffle is like a irregular beat. You can play a straight shuffle. Okay, but that's not what we're playing here. We're playing like it's on the in-between notes. It's on the offbeat. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 It's on the It's not on the 1 2 or 3 4. So when people talk about a shuffle, they're talking about rhythm. They're not talking about the notes. Baby used to stay out late at night. Cry. Now it's her turn to cry. 'Cause I used to love her, but it's all over now. Because I used to love her, but it's all over now. That's the whole song. It's pretty simple. The refrain is D. Used to love her. C. But that's all over now. All right, so now a variation on the shuffle in rock is usually if we're going to do it in D, it would sound like this. So it's that. That's the 6th. By the way, there's all different kinds of shuffles. It doesn't have to be just, it can be on any beat. It could be on the 3rd beat. It could be every beat. All right, so, but if we're gonna play the shuffle in this way, what we're gonna have to do is get rid of our bass, because we're gonna have to use that on. So what we're doing is playing the G. Then we play that hammer on the D at the 2nd fret, and then we hammer on the D at the 3rd fret. That's called the high heel sneakers shuffle, because a famous blues song used it. I mean, that's not official, but. What I was just doing there is I'm kind of playing the D and the G. Getting like a power chord into the shuffle. But you can just, usually people just play it with the single notes. And then for the G, instead of playing the G bass here, we're just playing the G bass. Actually, we're playing the D in the bass. Don't ask me why. Okay. So that's how we play that. I guess it's just the G chord, you know. Get some down and dirty blues there with that G shuffle. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.